Skin flooding, a lot of people have been asking me about, and I want to explain it today. Skin flooding is when you pack on ingredients into skin that is ready to absorb them, and it actually plumps up the skin and also forces the skin to absorb the nutrients that are being put onto it deep into the skin. And hopefully it goes all the way to the dermis layer, but it depends on how the actual ingredients are formulated. So skin flooding is very easy to do. And follow me on another video and I'll show you exactly how to do it. For more information, look in the caption below.